This is a pre-built version of the application. So first we will do a quick overview of the code. So we have a peer class, a peer thread, a server thread, and a server thread class. Now a peer independently communicates with other peers, and it is represented as a computer name, port number, or IP address, port number, and it acts as both a client and a server. So it acts as a server through one server thread for sending messages to other peers, and acts as a client through multiple peer threads for receiving messages from other peers. And a peer thread represents a thread that is spawned by the peer class for picking up messages coming from another peer. And a server thread represents a thread that is spawned by the peer class. So the peer spawns only one server thread, and this class in turn spawns multiple server threads. And it uses the spawn server threads in order to send messages to listening peer threads on different peers. And the server thread represents a thread that is spawned by the server thread class, and it sends messages to one listening peer thread on a different peer. Next, we'll do a demo using two machines. So we'll have two peers running on each machine for a total of 4 peers. So two peers running on this machine. And another two running on this one. And they will all be picking up and sending messages to each other. And if we list all the connections on each one. And if we exit on this one, and now list all the connection on each one. And if we exit this one, and now list all the connections here, and exit this one. Actually, let's show that they can communicate with each other. And now exit this one, and list all the connections here. So no other peers are listening to messages coming from this peer, and this peer is not listening to messages coming from any other peer. So after downloading we will import this into our workspace, and let's test run. Let's have to. And this is computer name, and this is port number to receive messages from, and same for this one. So this port number. Now the member-only version is available for viewing by channel members at the software engineer level and above, and it includes step-by-step coding, and the source code is available for download.